It was just a little late. I thought it was the rain.
I don't understand how this could belong to me. It's coming out of my neighbor's home. I just don't get it.
The city should be responsible.
I thought it was my neighbor's. I didn't know it was my pipe. That's why I never fixed it.
It wasn't my fault. I didn't lose any pressure. I didn't lose no water pressure. We still have good water flow.
It was definitely not my fault. I mean, I bought the house this way. How could this possibly be my fault?
Well, I thought it was my neighbor.
It's not inside the house. It's in the street. It's on the sidewalk.
I mean, the city should be responsible for that.
I didn't even notice a leak, to be honest. Someone else pointed out a little drip, and all of a sudden it's mine.
Well, the city's supposed to be responsible. I pay taxes.
I don't know what you're talking about.
And I don't know what you're talking about.
I don't really know what you're talking about.
I don't know what you're talking about.
My God, I don't know what you're talking about.
I definitely don't know what they're talking about. I don't see any visible water. Someone just came, said my water main is leaking, and here we are.